100 push-ups a day for 30 days, that's 3000 push-ups in total. And I see you thinking, why should you do that? But I'm doing this to find out if you should do it or not, but also for the sake of my own experience. In the end, I will show you my final result after 30 days, and I'm also going to discuss the disadvantages but also the benefits I've experienced after this challenge. So let's dive in. So before I started my first 100 push-ups, I'm going to show you my before result. So this is what I've looked like before day 1. And as you can see, I'm not in the best shape of my life. If I'm thinking back of how I felt in that body, I think I would describe myself as that I had a low energy, I wasn't in the best mental state, I wasn't that secure of my body, and I also felt very, very weak. So this is the game plan. So the first day I'm going to start this challenge is 1 January, and the next day I finish this challenge is the 30th of January. I'm going to do 100 push-ups every day for 30 days, and I'm going to do 5 sets of 20 reps. I'm going to do also different kind of push-ups, so I can get the maximum out of my chest, my tricep and my shoulders. Every Wednesday I'm also doing Krav Maga. So the push-ups I'm going to do there count as well. So after grabbing all my motivation I had in that moment together, I started with my first workout.
Much more difficult than I thought before. The first set went quite nice, but after the second set, after, I don't know, 5 push-ups, I was already dead or something. Oh, Jesus. So yeah, this is only the first day. So we will see what happens after 28 days. So I'll see you tomorrow.
So the second day of this challenge I was sore everywhere. But we must go on. So to change things up, I'm also changing different kind of locations. And also going to the park and doing 100 push-ups as well at that place. After I did my push-up for day 5, I'm going to explain why this challenge is so important for me. In early 2022, I developed a severe herniated disc in my lower back. My intervertebral disc partially shot out of my spine and pressed on my nerves. The result was 1.5 weeks laying on the couch, immense pain that I've never experienced before, and using painkillers until I could walk little by little. After 6 months of healing and taking it easy, I was complaint free and I could finally do everything again. But with the disadvantage of having a weak body and no motivation to start my journey all over again. I no longer had the drive and the motivation I had always before the accident. So that's why this challenge is so important for me. I want to challenge myself to get that drive, motivation and excitement again I have also experienced before. I want to have the consistency I had for gym for a long time. So maybe the biggest benefits I will experience after this 30 days is maybe the mental improvements I can take on this challenge. I think that's more important than the physical result I will have after 30 days. I felt in week 3 that my motivation went lower again. And I was also so close to stop with it and skip a day. But I didn't. I couldn't give up because it was only 2 weeks left to show myself the benefits of this challenge. So am I going to choose for action or failure?
Alright guys, I did the second set of today. Went quite nice, so now I'm resting. Normally I'm resting around 2 minutes or something. And then I'm doing the next 20 reps. And it's really giving me energy and stuff like that. So, but yeah, the 2 minutes are over, so I have to go again. here. One. Stop laughing, just do it.
So it's a couple days later after I finished those 30 days of my challenge, and I was thinking, what did I learn in those 30 days? I think after doing this challenge after a consistent base, it really gave me a lot of fun after I did those 100 push-ups in a day. I was very consistent in that way, and that also gave me fulfillment that I also achieved those 100 push-ups. I think the other lesson what I've also experienced is that healthy eating and nutrition is quite important for doing this kind of stuff and also showing the transformation. But I think that's not the most important thing. I think being consistent for 30 days and also challenging myself, pushing my own boundaries is more important than the physical result I've experienced. And also during this challenge I have experienced that setbacks are just temporarily. And I also believe now that only 30 days to transform something in your life can really have a huge impact on you. I think that's also why I'm now proud of my body again, which I also experienced before on the days when I was doing gym and fitness a lot. So I think 30 days in a challenge can also help you with changing your life again, but that is just the beginning. The real challenge starts after those 30 days. Are you going to do it still on a consistent base, or are you going to do something else, or what is your plan? And the last thing I've experienced is that I still see improvement in my body right now after those 30 days. So I believe you can really change your body in 30 days. So stop with your excuses and start today. So if I'm thinking about the biggest benefit I've experienced during this challenge is definitely the mental benefit. That's like the part where I've challenged myself, pushed myself also when I didn't feel like it, and just keep going and be consistent on 30 days. And finally see how far I can go. And if I'm thinking about the disadvantage of doing this challenge is that it's not the most optimal way to train your body. Like especially when you go to the gym, you can also do like a push-pull workout or something. That is more efficient than doing like 100 push-ups every day without any rest, you know? So if your life is challenging you with setbacks or low motivation, challenge yourself to become stronger than that. So just believe in yourself, and I'm 100% sure that you will get there. Alright, this was the video of this week. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Ciao!